Josie, wake up. What, Mom? I'm 16. I need to get my beauty sleep. Listen, today is your first day of college. You've got to start acting like an older kid. You're beautiful already. Don't need your beauty sleep. Whatever. Pack my bag. I'm gonna get a good shower. Oh, kids never learn rights. You have to pack your bags, okay, Missy? Now, I'm gonna be watching TV, and I'll give you your TV and your chair after you finish packing. You got me? Okay. My Mom. Hey, Snuggles. Yeah, today I'm going to summer camp. Mom! Yes, honey? I'm ready to pack my bags. Okay. There's all the stuff you need. You got me. Okay.